5 reasons why you're constantly procrastinating on exercise and how to finally stop. Number 5, you're constantly putting it off to the next day because you're too busy, you're too tired, something comes up and you don't have the time. The reason why you put it off to the next day every time a little thing comes up is because you're planning to do too much. On busy days or on days where you're just not feeling it, just plan in to go for 5 minutes. When you mentally prep yourself for a 5-minute routine, that's a lot easier to accept than thinking you have to go in for a full hour and do this intense routine. In most cases, you're gonna work out longer than 5 minutes, but in the worst case scenario, at least you got that 5 minutes in. That's better than 0. 4, your start date for your workout session is always on a set day. Monday, tomorrow, the 1st, and when that day arrives and you're too busy, too tired, you're gonna put it off again to the next Monday or tomorrow or the next 1st. It's a vicious cycle that needs to be broken, and how can you break it? You need to start today. And that start can be something super gentle like going for a walk, but you need to get into the rhythm of starting right away. 3, you keep putting it off because the thought of your exercise routine just makes you tired, it's daunting, it's not something that you want to do. You're just not doing the right routine. You don't have to do HIIT if you hate HIIT. You don't have to go running and sprinting if it's not something that you enjoy doing at this moment in your life. There are tons of routines that are out there that you can enjoy. Remember, movement is the goal. Find something that gets you moving, that you love, that makes you happy, and it's going to be a lot easier to jump in your routine today. 2, you keep putting it off because your exercise routine feels like a burden to you. It shouldn't be a burden. You should put yourself in an environment that will help you succeed. Your gym is too far, your home setup is too complicated, there's too much planning that has to go in one workout. Try not to overcomplicate it. Try to make things as simple and as easy as possible for you. I'm not a gym person. I feel like it takes a lot of time to prepare to go to the gym, go to the locker room, change, especially in the winter time. So I work out in my garage. My fiance Kathleen likes going to the gym, so she goes on her lunch break. She doesn't go in the morning because she would have to wake up too early, and she doesn't go in the evening because that's family time. That's convenient to us. Make it convenient to you. And number 1, it's not one of your main priorities, and it should be. If it's not one of your main priorities, it's going to be very easy to push it off and replace it with something else. Yes, there are other priorities in your life, like your family, your career, and all the other important things, but your health should definitely be on the top of your list, because without your health, everything else becomes harder. You want to take care of your family, but now your family's taking care of you. You want to do well in your career, but now you're struggling physically and mentally. Health ties into everything, so make that a number 1 priority. There's a reason behind your procrastination. Let's try to fix it in 2023, and I know you can. You totally got this.